Discover a range of cutting-edge print-on-demand machines, from UV sticker printing marvels to versatile tumbler press solutions, revolutionizing your printing possibilities quickly. Number 6. Small UV DTF Roller Sticker Printer. For any irregularly shaped cup bottle. With UV DTF printer PVC film transfer. Imagine a super cool sticker printer, a 3 UV sticker printer. It's not just any printer, it's a game changer. You don't need laminators because this magical machine does both printing and laminating simultaneously. Talk about hands-free freedom. Why is it so incredible, you ask? Well, it's a two-in-one wonder. Prints and laminates simultaneously. Plus, it's not limited to regular colors. It can even print golden foil stickers, making your prints pop with style. The colors are vivid, the details are crystal clear, and you can print on almost anything. Plastic, glass, ceramics, paper, metal, you name it. It can tackle any shape, whether flat, curvy, or even rhombic. And the materials? You get the drift of almost anything. Pens, notebooks, phone cases, mugs. It's like a creative wizard for your printing needs. Number 5. 16x20 Auto Open Sublimation T-shirt printing machine for sale. Heat press machine hot product. Easy to operate, multicolor. So, imagine this excellent heat press machine from Oplex, straight from mainland China. It's like a printing superhero, brand new and ready to make your garments pop with style. The Oplex HPC 483 is your go-to buddy for garment printing. Easy to use, semi-automatic, and it even comes with a 1-year warranty. This machine is no slouch. It's got a 38 cm x 38 cm printing size, making it perfect for adding flair to your shirts. What's even more incredible? You can get it in any color you want. It's not just a machine, it's a creative sidekick ready to jazz up your wardrobe. Plus, with Oplex, you're in good hands. They've got that CE certification, and you can even get it in your custom color. Number 4. Fast Shipping 12 inches DTF Printer. A 2XP600 DTF Printer Printing Machine T-shirt. Printing Machine. A 3 DTF printer. Meet the TIFF fan. A 3 DTF printer. Your creative companion in the world of printing wonders. This L1800 DTF printer is a powerhouse with A3 size capabilities, boasting a swift A3 print in 10 minutes. Featuring the cutting-edge L1800R 1390 print head, it crafts images at a remarkable 2880 x 1440 dpi resolution. This printer isn't just about colors, it's CMYK plus WWW ready for that extra vibrancy. Don't fret about ink. The continuous 250 ml6 ink supply is efficient and economical, consuming only 1 square meter per 5 milliliters. Compact and user-friendly with dimensions of 3,884*46 cc mounters, it handles white ink seamlessly with its mixing and circulation system. Compatible with Windows XP 7 or 10, this printer is ready to turn your designs into a visual masterpiece. Number 3. UV LED Flatbed Printer. Double print heads for gift box printing with varnish industrial level UV printer. Imagine the Rainbow UV printer. It's like a high-tech artist. This UV printing marvel can handle a 2 and A3 sizes and even 4,060 centimeters prints with ease. Weighing in at 90 kilograms, it's a productivity powerhouse, promising a vibrant and multicolored print party. This printer can do everything from paper to clothes, phone cases, and wooden wonders. Plus, it's automatic, making your printing journey a breeze. Standing at 97,101 × 56 centimeters, it's a compact genius that brings your designs to life. The Rainbow UV printer doesn't just print, it's a storyteller for your phone cases, pens, cards, and more. And guess what? It has an excellent 13-month warranty, ensuring your creative journey is worry-free. Number 2. Portable 3D Scanner Combo Mobile Mini Handheld Logo Printer. Wi-Fi USB Android ink cartridge printer tattoo printer. Step into the easy and efficient printing world with this compact wonder, the roll-to-roll inkjet printer. Weighing just 0.18 kilograms may be small, but it's big on innovation. Perfect for home use, printing shops, or advertising, this printer makes life colorful with its single-color magic. Imagine printing gift labels, tattoos, logos, and more with a 254H*406L printing size. Its semi-automatic charm, powered by a Li-ion polymer battery, ensures hassle-free operation. The key selling point? It's straightforward to operate. Plus, with a 1-year warranty, it's a reliable companion for all your printing adventures. Number 1. 23 PYD Life 30 ounces. Double station dual heat press machine digital sublimation transfers. Ready to press for mugs, cup, tumblers. Introducing the PYD Life Tumbler Press Machine, your ticket to easy and vibrant tumbler printing. Weighing just 12 kilograms, it's a compact powerhouse for home use, retail, and printing shops. This semi-automatic heat press machine is your creative companion in a stylish blue hue. Customizable, of course. With an easy-to-operate design and a 1-year warranty, it's perfect for printing full wrap designs on mugs and tumblers. The temp range. A wide 0482° F and 0250° C give you the flexibility to bring your ideas to life. Plus, with a machinery test report and video outgoing inspection provided, this tumbler press machine is ready to elevate your sublimation printing game. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.